Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus Vicci Gaming. We will explore their competitive histories, focusing on their presence in the esports landscape. Excel, a British organization, has made its mark in European League of Legends. Vicci Gaming, from China, has a broader legacy across several popular esports titles. Let's dive into their unique journeys and see how they stack up against each other. When we look at League of Legends, Excel has been a consistent presence in the European LEC, even securing a strong second-place finish in a recent summer split. Their win rate stands at about 38% over more than 180 games. Vicci Gaming's League of Legends squad, competing in China's LPL, reached a regional peak of 5th place and maintained a win rate of roughly 40% across 230 matches. Beyond League of Legends, Vicci Gaming boasts significant achievements, notably their Dota 2 team's second-place finish at a past international tournament, where they earned over $1 million. They also secured a regional tournament win, taking home about $61,000. Excel, while focused on League of Legends, has consistently shown up in the LEC, accumulating approximately $93,000 in total prize money, highlighting their impact in European esports. So, which team is better? It truly depends on your perspective. Vicci Gaming has a longer, more diverse history with significant international triumphs, especially in Dota 2. Excel, on the other hand, has carved out a strong niche as a consistent and respected competitor in the European League of Legends scene. Both have made valuable contributions to esports, showcasing different strengths and legacies in their respective domains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.